With World 3, Level 6, now we're going to combine many of the things that we did in the previous levels. So we're going to use repeat until. In other words, we're going to have this one, which is the portal entry. It's probably going to come out here a lot. So it's going to need to repeat this process until it finally arrives at either this exit or this exit. And then when it does that, we need a conditional to say, if it's this exit, move to the right. If it's this exit, move to the left. So it might look something like this. Now this could go on sometimes tediously for a very long time. This is one of those, oh, it didn't, so that's good. So that's kind of what we're looking at. Let's look at the code for that. So I'm going to do, obviously I'm going to start out with 2 writes just to get over to the portal entry. And then I'm going to have my repeat until, because we know when it goes in here, it's probably, let's just take a look, it's probably going to come out right up there. And it may do that a lot because it's programmed to only come out here or here on rare occasions, to more often come out there. So I'm just going to reset it now. So we need to have our repeat until right here, and we want it to be repeat until it's touching either this one or this one. And I just happen to know that this is portal exit 2 and this is portal exit 3. You can of course check by clicking on them, but I already know that. So I'm going to use my operator of an OR here. I'm going to say repeat until touching portal exit. Whoops, I've got to be careful about those. All right. And here, and we'll put this in here, until touching portal exit 2 or touching portal exit 3. And that repeat is going to be 2 downs because it's going to come out here. So down, down, keep doing that, down, down, keep doing that until it arrives at one of these others. So I'll put in 2 downs. Now once it does touch either portal exit 2 or portal exit 3, in other words, be here, then we need to have an if then else. And we'll say, okay, this one right here, I think this is portal exit 2, okay? So for portal exit 2, we want it to go left. So I'm going to say if touching, by the way, here's a little hint. If I wanted to grab this and just copy it, I right click and then click, whoop, didn't work. Hang on a second. Duplicate, and it's just a shortcut for duplicating something if you want. So if touching portal exit 2, then I want it to go left. And then else means if not touching portal exit 2, in other words, the only other option would be for it to be at portal exit 3, which is this one, then we want it to go right. And of course, we add our win. So now let's look through this again. Let's run it. Perfect. Now that one, sometimes this does this for a very long time, and since there are no villains, this might be an opportunity to turn on turbo mode. All that does is make it happen a lot faster. Shouldn't be doing that when there are villains, but there are no villains in these levels, so it's not a big deal. At least they're not yet. There will be in a moment. So when I run this now in turbo mode, you can see it goes much faster. In fact, I think my screen capture won't even do it justice because the screen capture doesn't have the frame rate. But you get the idea. Turbo mode is useful in this case.